Learning Arabic has been probably one of the most humbling experiences in my language learning journey. Because you see me, I thought I had things figured out. And I've been doing this for most of my life, but when it came down to learning Arabic, I was just it was an experience that really challenged me in many different ways, and I can talk about this for like 3 hours straight. I wanted to come back a little bit to social media to share about my Arabic learning journey because this is actually insane. Like the the fact that I have been able to keep up with learning Arabic, first of all, is a miracle in itself. It's so hard to learn for me personally. I think that talking about my experience learning Arabic is really interesting for others who are wanting to do so. I really want to share more content on what I wish I had heard while I was learning Arabic for quite a while. And I think that it is a language that it's not like any of the languages I've ever learned in the past for many reasons. But I think Arabic, yes, it's challenged me, but it's opened up so many different paths for me. It's opened up so many opportunities and people, and I've been in so many situations where I don't think I would have, and reading things I don't think I would have. It's really changed my life in a way that I didn't expect. I thought it was something fun at first. I was trying to dabble in it for a really long time. Of course, I gave up many times. I gave up not once, twice, but like 17 times. But I continue to persevere. I've been learning it consistently, and this journey has just been, I think Arabic is the language where I look back at it and say, wow, this is very rewarding. Because I don't think I would have said that for my other languages, because I don't think I struggled this much. I don't think I struggled this much. And it really gave me perspective because, a lot of the methods that I used to learn languages did not work for Arabic. Honestly, a lot of the things that worked for me in the past for learning, I don't know, Portuguese, Italian, etc., none of that worked for Arabic because it's a completely different language. It's very difficult for me. It is not related to anything I know. I'm coming out of this experience as someone with better clarity and better perspective on those struggling to learn languages, honestly. And that's why I want to really come back to making this type of content, the OG kind of content I used to make about language learning. And this really opened up my eyes to that. If you want to follow more about me and this crazy Arabic learning journey, if you want to learn Arabic or want a different perspective on language learning through my journey on learning Arabic, follow, give me a follow, give me a like, and I'd be more than happy to share more of this journey.